congratulations! Yes! Alright! Congratulations! Yes! A girl! Woo! Yes! Okay. Okay. So this time we have a raffle draw. Okay, dahil Team Baby Girl ang nanalo, lahat ng ating Team Baby Girl ay may chance na okay. Si Daddy, okay, congratulations. Okay, ito po. Palakpakan naman po natin si Mr. Boy at palakpakan! Unang prize, we have blue. Okay, congratulations. Okay, ito po.